Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting Mickey Mouse. So let's start to draw. At first we are drawing from Mickey Mouse cute eye. Yeah, like that. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow those steps, then you are also able to draw. Yeah, like that. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Now it's time to learn the color's name. Dark pink color, baby pink color, black color. At first we are using the black color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.